Hello everyone, I am Rochelle and welcome to our channel One Love Jamaica. In this video, we'll be making my extremely delicious mouth-watering banana bread. Stay tuned. Ingredients for this recipe is listed in the description below. I tripled the batter in this video to make 3 2-pound bread. So let's get started. Here we have our banana. These bananas are spotted and perfect for making our banana bread. Here we have our flour, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder combined, buttermilk, butter which I later melted, some good old Benjamin vanilla, some Lauren banana extract, oil, eggs, raisins, and some walnuts. Peel the banana and add them to a bowl. I'm using a KitchenAid mixer, but if you don't have a mixer, you can just crush the bananas with a fork and then use a whisk to combine all the other ingredients. After the banana is nice and mushy, add the sugar and combine well. Add the buttermilk, vanilla, banana extract, oil, melted butter and eggs to the mixture. Then we'll add our dry ingredients. You don't want to overmix at this stage, just until you no longer see the flour and it's nicely combined. Add your nuts and raisin and that's it. My baking tins are already prepared. I use a little butter and flour for coating so that my banana bread does not stick. I like weighing my batters. Each banana bread will weigh about 2 pounds. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and set your timer for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, remove your banana bread from the oven. Once it's dry, your banana bread is done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share this video. If you try this banana bread, please leave a comment down below. Thanks again for watching and stay tuned for more videos. One Love Jamaica.